Have you noticed your friends on Facebook posting animated avatars of themselves and wondering how to make your own? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own Facebook avatar. Now let's get started. The avatar feature for Facebook is currently only available on the mobile app, so you'll need a smartphone or tablet with the Facebook app installed. To begin, open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and tap See More. Now select Avatars. Tap Next. Now tap Get Started. Next, you can personalize your avatar to make it look like you. Select the skin tone you'd like your avatar to have. Scroll down to see more options. When you're ready to move on, tap Next at the bottom. Now you can choose a hairstyle. Select short, medium, or long to see the type of hairstyles you prefer. Scroll down to see more options in that category and tap one to apply it. Tap the water droplet at the top of the menu to see hair color options. To move on, tap through the rest of the icons along the top of the menu. Here you can change your avatar's face shape, complexion, and add lines. Next, you can choose an eye shape, eye color, and add makeup if you'd like. The next section lets you select an eyebrow shape and color. Then there's eyewear, nose shape, mouth, and facial hair. Once you're happy with how your avatar's face is looking, you can move on to the body. Select a body shape, then pick out an outfit, and add headwear too if you want. When you're all done and happy with how your avatar looks, tap the check mark in the top right corner. Now tap Next. Then tap Done. Now you can see your finished avatar. Tap the sticker icon at the top to see stickers featuring your avatar's face. You can send these to your friends in Messenger. If you want to show off your new avatar to your friends, tap the share icon in the top right corner. Then tap Share to Feed. Select a pose, then tap Share at the bottom. Your avatar will then be shared to your Facebook timeline. Now that you've set up your avatar, you can use these fun stickers when commenting on Facebook posts. That's all it takes to create an avatar on Facebook. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.